Your food heats up, but the plate stays cool. How? Inside the oven, there's a wave generator. It sends out microwaves, invisible energy waves. These waves target water. Food has water molecules. Microwaves make them spin. Spin equals friction. Friction equals heat. No fire, no hot air, just vibrating water inside your food. That heat spreads from the inside outward. Surprising fact number 1. Microwaves don't heat plates. Plates get hot from the food. Surprising fact number 2. The spinning tray isn't for spinning food. It helps waves hit food evenly. Mini tip: stir halfway while heating. It fixes cold spots fast. Try this. Next time, heat in short bursts. Stir once. Taste the science.